Well, hello there, YouTube universe. This is your boy E.T. Clark, the income investor. Hey, this video is going to go over the dividends that I received in the month of February 2021. And you'll see that it was a total of 15 companies, almost just like it was in January. 13 of them paid out on a monthly basis, and we had 2 that paid out on a quarterly basis. So let's check out the dividends that were paid in February 2021.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. All right, welcome for the February 2021 Dividend Portfolio Review. As in all of my videos here for the remainder of the year, I'm always going to start off with what we did in 2020. Now, as you can see from there, dividends received in 2020 was $3,012.05. The income generated from writing covered calls on 5 stocks, 5 of those dividend paying stocks, I received $7,312.79. It gave us a total income generated for 2020 of $10,324.84. Now, this year, we're going to be able to beat the dividends that we received last year. However, we're not going to come close to receiving the income that we received from the covered calls. That's $7,300. It's not going to happen this year. Well, it's possible, but it's unlikely. And the reason why that was so much last year is because of the pandemic. Once that hit, stocks became volatile. The volatility in the stocks, when you're writing covered calls, basically means you're going to get more premiums. Now, I will write covered calls on some of my dividend stocks that I have, but I don't foresee us getting to the same levels that we had last year. Just never know. Hopefully we don't have another, what do they call that, black swan event. So let's get into this. Let's take a look at the month of February. Dividends received was $325.15 plus received another $113 from covered calls. So that gave us a total for February of $438.15 of income generated. Now, if you look across the top where it says the estimate, right now it shows the estimate at for the year we should be able to collect $3,378. That is about $40 more than what it showed last month. Here it's showing a monthly average of $281. January was showing $278. So we were able to increase those numbers, and we're going to try to do that each and every month. That $325.15 was actually more than what we received in February. February was $261. So we're going to try to keep up this pace throughout the year and up those numbers. So let's take a look at the actual payouts.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks. All right, first off the block here is Suns. For February, I was paid 31 cents. It pays out monthly, and I have a total of 3 shares. Next up, we have LTC. Pays monthly, paid me 39 cents for the month of February. I have a total of 2 shares. And here's Apple. Apple pays quarterly. I have a total of 5 shares in Apple, so it paid me 62 cents. The yield is very low, but think about it. This year, Apple is still considered a tech growth company, and it's also paying out a dividend, so you gotta love that. Gladstone, monthly payer, paid me 68 cents, and I have a total of 10 shares, almost 11 shares there. SCM pays out monthly, paid me 88 cents, and I have a total of 10 shares. All right, JPS, monthly payer, paid $1.07, and I have a total of 21 shares. All right, PTY, monthly payer, paid me $1.61, and I have a total of 12 shares. All right, UTF, monthly payer, paid me $1.62, total of 10 shares. All right, Main Street Capital, monthly payer, paid me $3.12. I have a total of 15 shares. It's magic. Realty Income Corp. It's a REIT, real estate investment trust. Monthly payer, 35 shares, paid me $5.97. All right, SPHD, which is the S&P Invesco and the S&P 500 low volatility high yield fund. I don't know about the low volatility nowadays, but it pays monthly, paid me $7.44. I have a total of 51 shares. All right, CHI, monthly payer, paid me $22.94. I have a total of 242 shares. And also just be aware of, since I have a dividend reinvestment, and also at $22.94 bought me 1.56 new shares of Chai. GOF, monthly payer, paid me $46.05. The drip reinvestment bought me 2.2 new shares. I have a total of 255 shares. All right, PSAC, monthly player, a monthly payer, paid me $60.61. I was able to pick up 8 new shares. I have a total of 1,033 shares. And also I wrote a covered call and collected $113.70. That one there, that covered call will expire on the 19th of March. I believe it's an $8 strike price. And the reason why I wrote one on this one here with the $8 strike price, because trust me, I do not want to get rid of PSAC. $8, a little bit above $8 is an all-time high for PSAC. So I'm thinking that, hey, the chances of it reaching $8 and staying there is going to be slim to none. Even if it does, I have an exit strategy to get out of it and keep my shares, just as long as it doesn't skyrocket way above $8. All right, next. Citicorp. Boy, I tell you what, I've had Citicorp since 2008. Probably got a cost basis of just around $22 per share. I've had it for a while. It paid out it pays quarterly, paid me $171.84. I have a total of 339 shares. I was able to pick up almost 2.5 shares. And if you look on the bottom right, you see the dividends that I received in 2020 and the covered calls that the income that I received from the covered calls and also in 2020. So Citicorp is a great stock. I love it to death, and I'm planning on keeping that forever and a day. It's going to be my ride or die. All right, so that's all the stocks that paid dividends in February 2021. Once again, the dividend portions of it are definitely true passive income. It pays month after month after month. Once I have the drip set up on those, it pretty much just buys more shares. So that money that it's producing is also making money. So that's a great thing. So with this in mind, guys, just remember 3 things. Save. If you're saving, continue to do it. If you're not saving, please, you got to start saving your money. All right, invest. Once you start saving your money, you got to put your money to work. That's what investing is all about. Your money is making money for you. And you're not always working for the money. And the very last thing is apply what you know. Because knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge is power. Hey guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.